High in the Himalayas, a hero emerged. Not a hero of myth and legend, but a hero of our time. His name is Dr. Mahabir Pun. Dr. Pun is a social entrepreneur. He is a tireless advocate for rural communities in Nepal. His life's work is a testament to the power of technology. Technology can uplift and empower even the most remote corners of the world. Dr. Pun understands the challenges faced by rural communities. He has dedicated his life to bridging the digital divide. He strives to bring the transformative power of the internet to those who need it most. His journey is an inspiration. Dr. Pun's story begins in the village of Nangi in Mayagdi district. It is a remote village nestled high in the Himalayas. Life in Nangi was simple. The villagers relied on agriculture. They lived in harmony with nature. Despite the challenges of rural life, young Mahabir had a thirst for knowledge. He excelled in his studies. He earned a scholarship to study in the United States. He pursued higher education. He graduated with a degree in science education. He even earned a master's degree in educational administration. After completing his education in the United States, Dr. Pun had opportunities to stay abroad. He could have pursued a comfortable life, but his heart belonged to Nepal. He felt a strong pull to return to his roots. He wanted to use his knowledge and skills to make a difference. Dr. Pun returned to Nepal. He carried with him more than just his education. He carried a vision. He saw the potential of technology to transform the lives of people in rural communities. He envisioned a Nepal where even the most remote villages were connected. They would be connected to each other and to the rest of the world. Dr. Pun's vision began to take shape with the Nepal Wireless Networking Project. This project aimed to connect remote villages in Nepal to the internet. The Himalayas, with their challenging terrain, posed a significant obstacle. But Dr. Pun was undeterred. He rallied the support of local communities. He collaborated with engineers and volunteers from around the world. Together, they found ingenious solutions. They used low-cost, readily available technology. They built a network of wireless connections. These connections spanned across the vast Himalayan landscape. Section 5. Global Recognition, Awards and Accolades. The Nepal Wireless Networking Project was a resounding success. It garnered international attention. It earned Dr. Pun numerous awards and accolades. He was recognized for his innovation. He was praised for his dedication to social change. Among his many honors, Dr. Pun received the prestigious Ramon Magsaysay Award, often referred to as the Asian Nobel Prize. This award recognized his creative altruism. It acknowledged his unwavering commitment to empowering rural communities. Section 6. Beyond Connectivity. Education, Healthcare and Empowerment. Dr. Pun's work extended far beyond simply providing internet access. He understood that connectivity was just the first step. He wanted to leverage technology to improve education. He aimed to enhance healthcare. He strived to empower local communities. The Nepal Wireless Networking Project facilitated distance learning initiatives. It enabled students in remote villages to access educational resources. It allowed them to connect with teachers from around the world. The project also facilitated telemedicine. This brought healthcare services to previously underserved populations. Section 7. Building for the Future. The Mahabir Pun Foundation. Dr. Pun's commitment to social change led him to establish the Mahabir Pun Foundation. This foundation aims to continue his legacy of empowering rural communities. It supports a wide range of initiatives. These initiatives focus on education, healthcare, and economic development. The foundation is actively involved in promoting entrepreneurship in rural areas. It provides training and resources to young people. It helps them to develop their own businesses. It encourages innovation. The foundation is a testament to Dr. Pun's belief in the power of local solutions. Section 8. Overcoming Challenges, Inspiring Change. Dr. Pun's journey has not been without its challenges. He has faced bureaucratic hurdles. He has encountered skepticism. He has struggled to secure funding, but his determination has never wavered. His passion for his work has always shone through. Dr. Pun's story is an inspiration to us all. He has shown what is possible when technology is used for good. He has demonstrated the power of one person to make a difference. His life's work is a testament to the indomitable spirit of the human heart. Section 9. A Legacy of Empowerment. Dr. Pun's Enduring Impact. Dr. Mahabir Pun's legacy extends far beyond the wires and networks he has built. He has touched the lives of countless individuals. He has empowered entire communities. He has inspired a generation of change makers. His story is a beacon of hope. It shows that even in the face of adversity, positive change is possible. Dr. Pun's unwavering belief in the power of technology and his unwavering commitment to his community serve as a shining example for us all. He reminds us that we all have the power to make a difference in the world.